Okay, so today I think we're doing something with this. We might paint this, I don't fucking know. But we're gonna do the valve cover and the gaskets. So I'm gonna get to sand this down, make it all look like that. Cause the person before tried to clear coat it or something and it looks like trash. So we're gonna fix that. Okay, so we have intake off, all the bullshit off of it. Coil pack, wires, PCV. For that, you just twist it counterclockwise, like a full turn, just lift up, and you're good to go. Oil pack, or oil pack? What the fuck? Oil cap, and all the bolts loosened. So we're gonna take this off, and then yeah, replace the gasket. Okay, so valve cover is off. We used little wire brushes and stuff to get it all cleaned up. We're gonna warm it up with the heat gun, and then hit it with this and warm this up, and then head out to go grab something to eat. So yeah, we're gonna do that real quick. All right, so we have the valve cover back in. We sanded it down a little bit, but there's kind of some imperfections, so we're gonna go back and clean that up. But it looks decent for now. This is cleaned up too. Kind of looks stock. Yeah, there you go. Do that again. Yeah, looks good. So yeah, it was pretty simple, honestly. I mean, just unbolt shit and bolt shit. So that was about it for now. We're about to go take it for a test drive and then clean it up and then go to bed. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a good day.